This is something that I've thought a lot of times. That is, I wish that I could have joined a place like Learnlife when I was 8, 9, 10 years old. I had a difficult schooling experience with schools that focus a lot on academics and not on your well-being and who you are. And I think that a place that allows you that space to really show who you are is something invaluable. I mean, it's priceless. I think that when parents realize and do this exercise of unlearning and relearning what schooling can be, I think there's a relief in them to know that here we have a very good balance between core academics and more soft skills or competencies like creativity, collaboration, which are essential skills for the future. I think that that balance is very reassuring for them. And knowing that they're going to learn what needs to be learned in an environment that supports them, that loves them, that cares for them, that allows them to be who they want to be, I think that's the perfect combination.